Is there anything I can do?
Is there anything I can do?
Is there anything I can do? Your prayers.
Is there anything I can do?
Yeah. Back off.
Is there anything I can do for you?
Oh, no.
Is there anything I can do to cheer you up?
No, forget it.
Is there anything I can do?
There is.
Is there anything I can do?
You need to stay home. You're gonna be safe there.
Is there anything I can do to make it up to you?
Is there anything I can do?
No, ma'am. Thank you for your help. You're welcome, Chairman.
Is there anything I can do to cheer you up?
A hug would help.
Is there anything I can do?
I wish.
Is there anything I can do?
No.
Excuse me, is there anything I can do? I am a scientist, sir. Is there any problem?
You know, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt things.
Is there anything I can do to help?
Yes. I want you to be in charge of our wedding.
I'm gonna stay with Alex.
Is there anything I can do?
I don't think so.
Okay, pray for me.
Is there anything I can do?
I changed my mind. I don't want to do the separation surgery.
Is there anything I can do?
I want $200. That's a going rate, isn't it?
If anything should happen to Julie or Lynette,
Is there anything I can do?
you can peel a clove of garlic.
Is there anything I can do? Anything?
Yeah, just leave me alone for a little while.